Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for POPCAT price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. Of course, starting on the 4-hour chart here for POPCAT, we are still looking for this impulse, massive impulse towards the upside, where we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Perfect impulse for a wave 1, of course, a nice start for an impulse, and then a wave 2, very nice deep wave 2 based on the fib levels. It is as well perfect. Then we are looking at a double 1, 2 scenario where we are looking, of course, for 3, 4, 5 finished in orange. And potentially we have just a bottom for a wave 4, and we are moving again towards the upside for a wave 5. Now, if we look internally inside this wave, which is supposed to be a wave 5, and it should be an impulse, of course, where we are looking here that we have already 1, 2, 3, 4, and your wave 4 has dived deeper again, of course, where we have set our invalidation of this bullish scenario. However, it is not an invalidation of bullish scenario totally, because it's an invalidation of an impulse. There is still one more chance, of course, for this to move towards the upside, which it can be, of course, a diagonal where you have a wave 2 now, and then 3, 4, and a 5. However, if it is an ending diagonal, it can be as well. Of course, this could be an ending for this impulse, and then, of course, having another wave 4 and a 5 again for the big major 1, 2 here that you see in this white scenario, where you want to see, of course, after this, the wave 4, of course. Now let's clean up a little bit, of course, to see it for better visuals. So here we can even clean up, just give the 0.38 as a reference that we have bottomed here very nicely. So yeah, these are very important to stay there, of course, for the whole bull run for POPCAT. In case we hit this, we have invalidate, of course, our bullish scenario. Again, if we hit here, it is 50%. I'm saying because, of course, it might still turn up into a diagonal, contracting diagonal, where if you bottomed into this and dive into this level, therefore it might still go up as a diagonal. Now, of course, total invalidation is, of course, taking even the one in the white scenario, because orange one is already finished, so we cannot count it as invalidation. So this is your last invalidation for a bullish scenario. So since you are above this line, you are always looking for higher prices. Below this line is definitely a bearish price. So let's take a look even inside the 1-hour chart. In the 1-hour chart, guys, as you can see here, we are looking at, just let me organize. Okay, we are looking at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Actually, this was your wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. This is an impulse finished or not? Interesting. Yes. So that's why it has turned up into a contracting diagonal, by the way, because we did not get a wave 5. So if you are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, it should be 5 waves toward the upside, at least ending diagonal, which is not the case, and give you the clue that this is a zigzag A, B, and a C. And in that case scenario, of course, you are looking at a possible contracting diagonal, of course, and we are looking at a finished A, B, and a C again for your wave 2. And then you are looking for another ABC towards the upside. Of course, that's why it looks very, very choppy. And we are looking then at 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. In this case scenario, you want to seek, of course, a little bit higher prices, right? So so basically, if you take now, you have a trend to follow. If you want, you can just take from the bottom of the 1 to the bottom of the wave 2, just to have kind of like a trend of the lower prices, right? Now the higher prices is not yet clear. It depends how much high we go, of course. And then you get your trend, which it should be, of course, taken from the 1 to the 3 and it tells you, of course, the direction of this contracting diagonal. And yeah, after finishing this contracting diagonal, preferably that we take the high. However, if you have realized here, guys, that okay, we are already back to this pitchfork is taken from the wave 2 of the white scenario, but yeah, which is acceleration channel. That's good. Oh, okay, we are in a good position then. Okay. Yeah, so if this is your acceleration channel taken from the wave 2, of course, based on the wave 3 in the white scenario, so you are still in a very good position because you are still above the midline of this acceleration channel, which is a good thing. Now, I would love to check just one more channel here. If we go back a little bit to the 4-hour chart, which is the main channel. Let me check. This is a wave 2. Yeah, if we take, let me just simply put it there. As a base channel, if we take it as a base channel here based on the wave 2, I would like to check the price. Yes, perfect. As you can see, the price even is still above the base channel of this main impulse. And this is a very, very good indication, guys, that you are moving even higher and higher. Now, your wave 4 might be exactly on that base channel and then moving up massively towards the upside. This is a good signal, very good signal, guys, that we the main impulse, we are still ranging above the base channel, which is a good to see. Yeah, so once we finish, of course, this wave 4, of course, in that case, you're gonna finish your wave 5 here, right? With this diagonal, your wave 5, and it's gonna finish your wave 3. And basically, if your wave 3 is gonna be almost here, yeah, so we might see higher prices, but okay. The momentum of POPCAT, let me be honest here, the momentum of POPCAT is slowing down a little bit, okay? It is slowing down. It's not moving impulsively. So, to be honest, yeah, it is slowing down. We might see, of course, even wave 4. Now, wave 5, based on the wave 1, okay, your wave 5 might be extended a little bit, okay, towards the upside, but it's not very, very promising, to be honest, as an uptrend, just by looking at this diagonal. However, it's still bullish, very bullish, but yeah, it looks like the momentum is losing a little bit. Okay, if I take, all right, if let's say our diagonal is gonna top somewhere here, yeah, so if our diagonal is gonna top here, then it's gonna move for a wave 5, and then probably your wave 5 we would be lucky if we can go out of the acceleration channel, but it's very, very rare, to be honest. So yeah, we're not really looking for a high momentum. I don't know why, not anymore. If that was a little bit impulsive, your wave 4 and then 5, I would say that's perfect. But since we are looking for a diagonal, well, it's not really nice, So let's watch and see what's gonna happen. But I mean, we are still bullish, but we're losing momentum. This is what I'm saying. I was expecting to boom with a wave 5 towards the upside. This did not happen. So that was it for POPCAT. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.